You know, I get a lot of questions from different parents on how should we spread out our lessons? You know what? Should we practice a week and give a week off? You know, I'm here to say, you know what? There is no set time and when we should. You need to drive as much as you can with your teenage driver because it's about experience. You know, if it's raining out, get home. Say, come on, we're going to go out and drive in the rain. If it's snowing out, come on, we're going to go drive in the snow. If it's nighttime, they need experience there too. So we don't just spread lessons out. We want them to experience every possible situation they can when you're in the car with them. Why? Because you correct that mistake that they do make. I'm Mike Pehl. You drive safe and ride safe.